So, the Supreme Court recently ruled on something, and I'm going to cover it. Yep. Basically, what happened was the Supreme Court decided offensive speech counted as free speech. And with some attacks on offensive speech going on in some states and countries and things like that, I think we somewhat needed this. Basically, what happened was an Asian band came to America. They wanted to call themselves the Slants because they thought that was funny. And then, the United States wouldn't let them patent that name because it was offensive. So they sued the patent office. So what happened was they went to court, my bad. And they were like, yeah, you should be allowed to patent it. Then the patent office sued them, the band, and took it to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court was saying, yeah, the band is right. What do I think of this? I think this is a really good thing, because for a long time now in the United States, people have gotten the idea that hate speech is illegal when it isn't. And I'd argue it shouldn't be. Like, for multiple reasons. Mainly, it's the result of living in a free country. Plus, I think it could actually help in the long run to let you know who the bigots are, but that's besides the point. To make it short, though, there is very little way you could turn this into a bad thing. Basically, they're just saying, yeah, you have a right to free speech. The patent office, since it's a government agency, has the right to make sure that you get your name patented. Because here's the other thing. That was a government agency. If it was a private individual, I'd be saying something different. But no, it was a government agency, the patent industry. And then they said, oh yeah, you should be able to get recognized. But that's it. I'm Ephrom, and good night.